Hey Kipsters, I really miss you all, and making all these math videos just reminds me of how much I miss watching you guys work on CGI and seeing your math brains grow. I'm glad to know you're watching and growing them at home, and I can't wait till we can all be together again to do it. Today we're doing another first grade CGI problem. Make sure you have pencil and paper so you can follow along. You can pause after I read the problem, solve it on your own, and then come back and see if you solved it like we did. Here we go. Here's today's problem. There are 51 people playing in the park. 24 are children and the rest are adults. How many adults are at the park? Let's read it again. While I read it, make a picture in your mind of what's happening. There are 51 people playing in the park. Can you see them, all 51 people, doing all kinds of fun things? 24 of them are children. Now I can see those children. And the rest are adults. How many adults are in the park? All right. What are we trying to find? That's right. We're trying to find the number of adults in the park. I like to figure out what it is we're looking for before we get started. Go ahead and pause and figure it out yourself and then come back. Or if you're ready, follow along with me as I solve it with my cubes. There are 51 people playing in the park. I'm going to start by getting out 51 people. That's 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. 51 people. These are all the people that I imagined playing in the park. Now I can figure out which ones are kids and which ones are adults. 24 are children, so 24 are 2 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. These are my children, so those must be the adults. That's right, those must be the adults. Let's see how many. Oh, I can move the ones over here. Make it easier to count. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 adults at the park. Now I can show what we did using a drawing with quick tens. We started with 51 people. 10, 20, 30, 40, 51. Then we separated the children out, the part that we already knew. We didn't take them away, they're not gone. We just separated them, so when I do it on my picture, I'm not going to cross them out, I'm just going to separate. Watch. 10, 20, 24, remember? 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm going to write CH. Actually, I'm going to write the whole word, children. So I remember what that is. Then I can remember that the rest of them are the adults. And I can count starting with my tens. 10, 20, 21. I have to remember on my cubes, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There are 27 adults. These are the adults at the park. Now I can write a number sentence to show how we solved the problem. What did we start with when we solved our problem? That's right, we started with 51. Then, 51. Then we separated. What can I write for separate? What kind of math sign? Yeah, subtraction works for separate. Even though we sometimes say take away, separate works too. We separated 24. 24 children to find the adults. How many adults were there? That's right, 27. Does this match what happened in the story? Were there 51 and then 24 were taken away or got separated to leave 27? No, there's 51 people in the park, 24 are children, and the rest are adults. How many adults are in the park? Well, I just realized we can write this a different way to match the story. There were 51 people in the park. That was the same as the 24 children and the adults, the 27 adults. This number sentence down here matches the story, and this number sentence matches what we did in our work. We know in CGI that sometimes our number sentence that matches our work that helped us solve the problem looks different than the number sentence that we use to match the story. Good job today. Can't wait to see you tomorrow when we try another problem similar to this one. We try to solve it 2 different ways. Bye, guys.